Have you ever shared an important PDF file like a contract or legal document with someone only to worry about whether they might copy, edit, or even print it without your permission? You're not alone. Protecting sensitive information in PDF format is a common concern for businesses and individuals alike. Fortunately, there are simple ways to password protect PDFs, limit who can view them, and control how your documents are used. Hello and welcome back to our channel where we make technology easy for everyone. Today we'll be discussing how to password protect your PDF files and other security measures that will help you safeguard your sensitive information. So let's get started. Password protection. The first step in protecting your PDF files is to use a password. This will help you ensure that only those who need to access your file actually have permission to do so. There are essentially two different passwords that you can add to a PDF: restrict editing and printing. Another way to protect your PDF files is by restricting editing and printing. With this feature, you can choose who can edit or print the file. For example, you can allow viewing but block printing, or you can allow low-resolution printing only. This helps protect your work from being copied or misused without your permission. To restrict editing and printing in Adobe Acrobat, go to File Greater Than Protect using Password. From here, select the Standard Protection option and enter a password. Once you have entered your password, click OK and your document will be protected. Watermarking. Adding a watermark to your PDF file is another effective way to protect your copyright. A watermark is a visible text or logo that appears on every page of the document. This helps discourage people from reusing your file without your permission, even if they screenshot or print it. To add a watermark to your PDF, go to File Greater Than Add Watermark. Here you can choose from a variety of pre-made watermarks or create your own. Once you have added your watermark, it will appear on every page of your document, helping to protect your copyright. Flattening PDFs. Another way to protect your PDF files is by flattening them. This means turning all the pages of the PDF into a single static image. This is particularly useful if you are sharing a form or document that you want to ensure cannot be edited once it has been filled out. To flatten a PDF, go to File Greater Than Tools Greater Than Flatten. From here, click Flatten Pages and your PDF will be flattened. Digital signatures and certificates. Digital signatures and certificates are another way to help protect your PDF files. A digital signature is essentially an electronic version of your handwritten signature, while a certificate is a digital document that verifies your identity. Both can be added to a PDF to help prove that the document came from you and hasn't been changed in any way since it was signed. To add a digital signature to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat, go to the Sign tab and then click Create Signature. From here, you can either create a new signature or import one that you have already created. Once you have created your signature, click on the document where you would like to add your signature and then click on the signature. To add it to the document, digital signatures help provide an extra layer of security to your PDF files. They can be especially useful when dealing with important documents such as contracts or legal files. DRM protection. For even greater protection, consider using a digital rights management tool. DRM tools offer advanced protection features such as preventing forwarding, tracking who opens your file, and even setting expiry dates so the file becomes unreadable after certain time. While these features may be useful for business documents or copyrighted material, it is important to note that some DRM tools may be expensive and could potentially make sharing your documents difficult. Weigh the pros and cons carefully before deciding whether or not to use a DRM tool. Protecting your PDF files. It is essential to take steps to protect your PDF files from unauthorized access, editing, or printing. Fortunately, there are simple measures you can take to help ensure that your sensitive information remains secure. Password protection, restricting editing and printing, adding a watermark, flattening the PDF, and using digital signatures or certificates are all effective ways to help keep your documents safe. Additionally, for advanced protection, consider using DRM tools to prevent forwarding. Track who opens your file and set expiry dates. By taking these precautions, you can have peace of mind knowing that your important files are secure If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. We would also love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your top tips for protecting PDF files? Do you have any questions or suggestions for future videos? We can't wait to see you in the next one. Until then, take care and happy computing. In addition to the video content, we also provide a range of resources to help you get the most out of your technology. Our website offers tutorials, reviews, and other helpful articles on a variety of topics. Whether you need help understanding a new gadget, want to learn about the latest software update, or are looking for recommendations on what hardware to buy, our website has something for everyone. In addition, we also have a newsletter that you can sign up for to receive updates on our latest content. We never send spam, and you can unsubscribe at any time. And finally, if you're looking for a more personalized approach to learning, we also offer coaching services. Our experienced coaches can provide one-on-one guidance to help you with any tech-related challenges you may be facing. We believe that technology should be accessible to everyone, and we are committed to making it easy for people to learn and grow in a constantly changing digital world. So whether you're a tech-savvy professional or someone who just needs a little bit of help, we'd love to have you join our community. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon.